no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat. Welcome to the ones that are new to my channel. Hey y'all, to the ones that's coming back. Thank y'all for tuning in to another hair review. This wig is from Xrsbeauty. This is my first time working with this hair company. They gave me a lot of goodies in my box, so I truly appreciate it when companies do this. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. So let's get into this video. As y'all can see, this wig's hairline is out of this world. And you know why? Because look at that lace. Look at the lace. You see the difference between the clear lace versus the brown lace? Obviously, I'm not that brown, so the brown lace would kind of clash with my complexion, while the clear lace is more of a thinner lace. Even though it's thin, that doesn't mean that it is easily able to rip. Again, if you are heavy-handed, please be careful with these wigs and your lace. But y'all, I really see the difference between clear and brown lace. But also, lace is not skin. And I learned that from Alonzo Arnold. I know Alonzo is very particular about telling people, and every hairstylist that deals with lace and lace front wigs and just wigs with any type of lace, they tell you lace does not replace skin. You're going to always see lace. Lace is going to be a material on top of your head. I don't care how thin it is. You're going to see the lace, okay? But at the end of the day, it's always nice for the lace to be not as detectable. You're going to detect it, but not as much. Now, this hair was extremely soft. This hair was very manageable. I really like how I was able to flat iron this hair. This hair is just, I love a straight black wig. I do. I truly do. So my big forehead girls, and maybe it was just me, and again y'all, I'm a little rusty with putting on wigs now. I went 9 months, not fooling with wigs for a minute, y'all. But the way the lace had to sit on my head, I did not want my lace to be nowhere near my eyebrows. I hate when my lace is a little bit too far down on my forehead, because it just looks unrealistic. So I was really trying to make sure the lace was, the hairline in my opinion was just a little bit too thin for me. But y'all will see in the video that I couldn't actually do a middle part, but I ended up choosing a side part instead because of that reason. When I come on camera, I like to already have my makeup done so you guys can get like the full effect of if you're going out with your girls, going out with your man, going out to the store, going out for, self-care for you. That's how I kind of like putting on wigs. I like to do my makeup and then putting the wigs on. The only problem with that is when I do that, I have to clean off my foundation and then apply the lace, because it will get extremely messy if you're putting the lace with the glue, with the foundation on top. Nothing's going to be sticking right. So I feel like I made that mistake in this video with this hair by not cleaning it off as much as I could have, because the lace and my makeup really got messy after a while. You can kind of see how the makeup and the lace kind of clashed with each other because I had makeup under the lace and then I put makeup on top of the lace. So it kind of created that mess. I'm just going to be honest. It created a mess. Sometimes I'm able to still do this and the lace still sits the way it's supposed to sit, but this time I did put a lot of spray and glue. So yeah. Like I said, I wanted to do a side part instead of a middle part because the hairline was a little thin at the top, but you can always improvise, and baby, a side part always gets the job done. So the pros and cons that I had with this unit. The pros, it was very easy to put on, very manageable. There was minimum shedding and tangling. There was actually no tangling actually, but shedding, I'm pretty sure it came from me just cutting, you know, the lace and the hair and the hairline, and probably like the extra hair that was from me cutting. Actually, the hairline was a pro and a con for me. So the hairline came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do extra work. I didn't have to do extra tweezing. So that actually worked out, and I really like how it was just an easy, you can just put on and go type of wig. Now the con was, for me, it was just a little bit too thin in the middle for me. And that's why I ended up doing a side part. So that concludes today's video. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. I would like to thank Xrsbeauty for sending me this wig. And I would like to thank y'all for supporting and coming back to my channel. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.